Welcome to Villa 3 at Lahania by the sea. Located just one house from the beautiful Clifton Beach, this is the dream lifestyle that everyone in Cairns appreciates and enjoys.
The ground level features a stylish kitchen, offering stone bench tops, breakfast bar, modern finishes, and ample storage. The open plan living area is spacious and well positioned to allow an abundance of natural light and flows seamlessly to the alfresco area that looks straight out over your private courtyard.
On the top level, you'll find 3 large bedrooms, and you can just catch glimpses of the ocean from the master bedroom. You'll also have access to the resort-style pool and direct access to Arlington Esplanade through the secure, gated complex. This is your opportunity to own your own beachside tropical paradise without any hassle or maintenance. I'm Renee Straguzzi.
And I'm Michelle Ryman.
And we're from Cairns Property Office.
We look forward to seeing you here soon.